Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of website forms and we've got an exciting lineup. Top 5 best form maker plugins for your website. If you are looking to enhance your user engagement or collect valuable data or just streamline communication on your website, you're in the right place. So let's without further ado start the video. So for this video, we're going to try out the plugin on TestWP, which allows you to sign up to a free demo site. It's free and you don't even need to register to WordPress. So there we have the temporary website. Now let's start the video. So the first plugin that we are going to talk about is QuForm plugin by AYS Pro, and we're on the demo of the plugin. With the help of QuForm, you can create amazing contact forms, payment forms, registration forms, and application forms. So let's now scroll down on the website, and here you can see the examples of forms that you can create with the help of this plugin. Here we have the integration parts and the features that you will get by activating the Pro version of the plugin. Here it is. Now let's go to the dashboard of QuForm. Here I have already uploaded the plugin. We have here it, and just by clicking on Add New, you can create a new form. Here we have different tabs, so now let's explore the tabs. The first one is General Settings tab. Here you can set page title, give page description if you want. You can write your question and also write a short answer for your question. Also you can here add an image, or you can change the question type if you want it to be short text, maybe paragraph, maybe an email, and etc. Here we have also general. So here you can, on the general tab, you can also add a placeholder, enable description, user explanation, maybe admin note, or enable limitation. And if you want this section to be required, you can make it required. Then we have the style section. Here you can add a custom class, as you can see, and we have the advanced, where you can hide the label. Here you can see that also you can add field, add sections, and etc. Now let's go to the next tab. It is styles, and here you can set themes. Here we have two themes, classic light and classic dark. You can choose which one you want. You can set a main color, background color, text color. Also you can upload the logo if you want. So here we have various features that you can enable, that you can use. So one of the features, amazing features, unique features that we have here, you can set button background color, or you can change the button text color just by enabling this, just by here, and etc. Let's now move to the next section, next tab. Here we have the settings tab. Here also we have like several features. Let's now talk about this one, schedule the form. So what we can do with this feature, here we can set a specific time when you want your form to be active. So when it will be active and the time will do, a message will send to the form takers to inform them about it. Then also here we have allow collecting information of logged in users. So what we can do about it, it enables the collection of data or information from users who have created accounts and currently are logged in. Then here what we have also enable live progress bar, and by this feature it will show the current state of user passing the form. Also it will be shown at the bottom of the form character. Here we have also the enable chat mode, and what we can do it, this feature will make your form look like an online chat conversation. Let's go to the next tab. Here we have the results settings tab. So here you can redirect after submission the form, the URL of the form. You can enable exit button or restart button. You can select form loaders. Here we have the options of loaders and you can choose whatever you want. Also here you can set thank you message. I think this is one of the important things here, and you can add a photo if you want. Then we have the conditional result section. So what we can do here you can add a condition, and based on that condition the form will start to work like that. So maybe let's imagine that you state a condition if you are a man, and if you're a man you will be given another question, but if you're a woman the question will be different. So you can here set a condition. The next tab that we have here is limitation users. Here you can set, for example, a maximum number of user attempts to take in your form, or you can decide who can take out the form, who can fill out the form. You can also access only to selected user roles, or maximum count of takers. You can set the maximum count of takers, and etc. Then here we have the email section. So here, by enabling this option, you can send an email to the user after filling out the form, or you can send an email to the admin after filling out the form. Here we have also email configurations and these features. Here you can set from which email you want the message to be sent, the name of the email, the subject, the reply, and the reply to name. And last tab that here we have are the integrations. So here we have some integrations, and EasyForm plugin integrates, for example, with MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Google Sheet settings, GetResponse, reCAPTCHA, and etc. So this was it about EasyForm plugin. The second plugin that we are going to talk about is Ninja Forms. And with this plugin, you can build beautiful WordPress forms without any designing skills. So you don't have to have like designer skills to build forms. Here we are on the website of Ninja Forms. Okay, let's now go to the dashboard of Ninja Forms. Here we have it. I have already uploaded the plugin, as you can see, and here just by clicking add new you can create new form. But let's before it explore the tabs that here we have. Here we have the forms tab where you can create a new form. Here we have the services tab. So here we have two services, add-on manager beta and send WP transactional email. So you can install them. You can purchase any Ninja Form add-on with a single click by the help of add-on manager beta, and send WP makes getting emails delivered as simple as few clicks. Then we have the apps and integrations here. So let's now see what integrations have Ninja Forms. It integrates with MailChimp, with Campaign Monitor, Constant Contacts, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Save Progress, and etc. Now let's go to the next tab. Here we have user access. So here you will able to allow you, it will enable you. So here we have the user access, and here it will allow you to manage who can see and edit form submissions from an easy to use control panel. Let's now go back to the form section and clicking on add new. Here you can see that we have some pre-built forms. That's why you don't need to be a designer to do it. You can choose whatever you want. And also here we have additional templates. Here I will go with contact us. So here you can see that we have the default of contact us. Here we have the emails and actions. So here you can create a new action. You can see record submissions. Let's now see it. We have the email confirmation. So here we have the action name. It is email confirmation. We have the subject of it and email message, as you can see. You can also attach CSV file if you want. We have the email notification, which will send after completing the form. The email notification will be sent to the user. And also here we have the advanced section where we have different tabs, like we have display settings. Here we can see what settings we have display form title if you want, we have clear successfully completed form, so you can clear the form that have been completed. You have hide successfully completed form, so it means that you can, with this feature, hide the completed form. Then we have the restriction, what we have here. So here we have several So here we have restrictions. What we have here you can require user to be logged in to view forms if you want, just by enabling this feature. You can limit submissions also if you want, and also limit reached message. We have the calculation section. You can also here add new calculation, and also here we have additional settings, and here you need to upload other add-ons to use these features. So this was it about Ninja Forms. So the next plugin that we are going to look through is QuForm plugin, and we are already on the demo of QuForm. Here you can see that we have two types of demo if you want: quick demo and complete demo. With the help of this plugin, you can create amazing contact forms, amazing application forms, and etc. Let's now go to the demo, to the dashboard of this plugin. Here it is. Just by clicking here, add new, as you know, you can create a new contact form if you want. Let's now explore the settings section here. Here we have first the general tab, and what we have here the form name hour. For example, mine is contact us. We have the title, we can give a description. Okay, of course we can enable the status of our form, whether we want it to be active or inactive. We can save submitted form data, enable honeypot captcha, and conditional logic animation. What does it mean? So when this feature is enabled, the fields that are hidden or shown via conditional logic will be animated, like instead of hidden or shown instantly. Then we have the style section, and here you can first, as you can see here, we have global section. You can control theme, responsive elements, also form sizes, and preview background color. And also here we have the tooltips. By enabling the tooltips, when the user hovers over an element with tooltip text set, a tooltip will appear. So here you can see the triggers of tooltip, the event, the icon, and tooltip style. So also you can control the tooltip style. Then we have the notifications. Here you can set a notification. For example, here we have already one new submission from name, and here will be some name. You can also add a new notification. Here we have confirmations. So when the form is already completed, you need to have here a confirmation. For example, here we have default one. It is your message has been sent, thanks. So you can add another confirmation here. We have errors. So if your form is completed wrong, in a wrong way, you can set an error. So you can control validation error position, validation error icon, and display also error message. Then here we have the languages section. You can choose a language, for example, the local. From local, you can choose which language you want. You can enable RTL support. You can control date and time format also. And we have here the database. You can here enable custom database settings. You can use WordPress database if you want. So this was it about QuForm. So the next plugin that we are going to talk about is Fluent Forms, and now we are on the demo of Fluent Forms. With the help of this plugin, you can create bakery order forms, job application forms, contact for demos, translation service forms, and etc. So these are the examples of forms that you can create with this plugin. Okay, let's now go to the dashboard of this plugin to explore the features that it offers us. So I have already downloaded the plugin, and just by clicking here add new form, you can create a new form. You can also import the form, which one you want. Here you can see that it gives us 3 options. You can select new blank form, you can choose a template, or you can create conversational form. Let's choose a template. For example, let's go with this basic contact form. Okay, here you can see that we have the default of contact form. So here we have the first name, last name, email, subject, your message. And just by drag and drop, for example, name fields, if you want to have name fields on your contact form, you will need by just drag and drop, bring it here. This is it. Let's explore the settings and integrations, what we have here. So first, we have here the confirmation settings. As you know what it is, after the filling out the form, you need a confirmation setting. Here we have the form layout. So we have the label alignment, where you want it to be, like to the top, to the left, or to the right. We have help message position. You can also control the position of help message, position of error message, and also here we have asterisk marker position for the required elements. We have the scheduling and restrictions here, and also here we have advanced form validations, and this feature you will have when you will upgrade your plan to Pro version. Also the survey result, you will have it after upgrading your plans. Then we have the email notification. So here you can set email notification, you can set the status of it, whether you don't want it to be enabled or disabled. Here we have the email notification name, for example, and the subject. For example, here we have the default one, it is new form submission. We have then conditional confirmations, and then we have custom CSS. So you can write your custom CSS here for the form, and the CSS will be applied in this current form only. We have configure integration. So this plugin has several integrations with several things. For example, it integrates with MailChimp, with PayPal, Trello, HubSpot, Slack, Stripe, and etc. So the last but not the least plugin that we are going to talk about is Gravity Forms, and we're already on the demo of Gravity Forms, as you can see here. With this amazing plugin, you can create contact forms, advanced contact forms, you can request a quote form, employment application form, user registration form, survey form, and etc. So these are the examples of forms that you can create with the help of this plugin. Now let's go to the dashboard to explore the features that it offers us. So here I have already uploaded the plugin, as you can see, and just by clicking on this add new button, you can create a form. So it offers as like different templates that you can choose from. For example, you can choose e-commerce form, Stripe checkout form, or contest and try form. I will go with simple contact form. You here need to write the name of your contact form. Okay, this is it. So here you can see that with this you can set your contact name, email, comments, and make them required if you want. So here we have some standard fields that you can choose. If you want, for example, add a paragraph text or drop down, you can just need to, like this, drag and drop the field that you want, and it will appear here. So easy, it's so easy. Also here we have field settings, and that's why for that we need to go to the settings section. Let's go to the settings section. Here we have form settings first. So in form settings, you can set form title, also give a form description. As you can see, we have the form layout, and as always here you can choose the label placement, description placement, sub-label placement. Also here we have, and validation summary. For example, anti-spam honeypot, animated transitions, enable legacy markup. So let's go here the next. And also here, the personal data, what we have here. So here, by enabling this option, you can prevent the storage of IP addresses during form submission. Here we have retention policy, and you can choose whether you want it to retain and trace into indefinitely, you want it to trash and trace automatically, or you want to delete the and trace permanently automatically. Also here you can see that this plugin has various integrations. For example, it has integrations with ConvertKit, Dropbox, Google Analytics, HubSpot, MailChimp, Slack, Stripe, Zoho, and etc. So there you have it. Don't forget to check the video description for the links to these plugins, and let us know in the comments down below which one you are excited to try. As always, thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, and happy form making!